What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, this is the best money channel on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there? And we are back at it again with the gems. We are back at it again with the sauce. Back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero. You're ready to be your family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, and let's get to this gems because I got some good information and I got some information that's going to help you win. All right, so in today's video, we're going to talk about Golden One Credit Union. Yes, Golden One Credit Union will give you a $30,000 bad credit personal loan / line of credit. All right, so it's a lot of people out there that's looking to get money. It's a new year, new dollars. A lot of people looking to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit. It's a lot of people out there looking to get their credit established. There's a lot of people out there looking to get their business established. So let's start off with starting to learn how to get funds and being able to get funds with your credit, right? Because that's how you're going to be able to start funding your small startup business or start funding your life, right? Because if you need money and you need to walk in the bank and get a lump sum and you got good credit, you'll be able to do that, all right? So without further ado, let's get into it. So Golden One Credit Union. Golden One Credit Union. A lot of people want a bad credit loan. A lot of people need a loan. So let me help you get the cash. So first thing you got to understand when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, or lines of credit is that everything is based off of your credit score. Or not even your credit score, your credit profile. Because your score really doesn't matter. It's really about your debt and your payment history and the age on your account. So when people want to go get these loans, bad credit loans, they see a lot of people make bad credit loan videos on YouTube. They don't explain in detail what's all going on. It's a lot of people, it's a lot of places that first of all, every bank, every lender, every group does not require the same requirements to get approved for their loans. So you might have some places that require 500 credit scores. You might have some people that require 650 credit scores. You might even have people that require 720 credit scores. Different banks, lenders, and groups, different requirements. So, Golden One, they are working with people with bad credit, and they'll actually give you instant approval. So how can you get the money from them? First, you got to understand is that everybody has debt. Some people might have a lot of debt. Some people might have not too much debt. The world works off money. So when you turn 18, you're supposed to, get a job, go to school, get a car, things like this, because you need a car to get around. You need a job to be able to live. And some people go to school to further their education. So a lot of things are connected to each other. Because as long as you got a job, you get to file your taxes and get W-2s, and you get a pay stub, and you have money you're making money. Get a bank account, and they got bank statements. So when you get a job, they're monitoring your money. It's tracking everything that you're doing. Then you get W-2. So when you go in a bank, try to get a loan, they ask for these things. When they look, they see what you actually qualify for. Some people go to school, get student loans. Some people get auto loans. Some people do a lot of different things. But the main primary trade lines are student loans, auto loans, payday loans. Those are the typical 3 loans that people get. So you have these loans. Why are there loans? Because that job that people typically work doesn't you don't make enough to really pay your bills. So you got your age, you got your payment history, and you got your debt on your credit report. The age is how long you've been building your credit history, how long from your oldest account. So it might be student loans, it might be an auto loan, it might be a credit card. And it starts from your first account that you open. So when you turn 18, you got a car, an auto loan, that's when the age of your account started, or your credit profile, or the age. You went to school when you turned 18. That's when your credit profile started. If you did anything when you turned 18, credit cards, any of that, that's when your credit profile started to build its age. Now, the debt that you accumulate over the time, over the years, is what's going on your credit report. Now, is it good debt or is it bad debt? Bad debt is the debt that you accumulate that you just leave delinquent, don't pay anything on. What's making your credit score bad? What's making your payment history bad? So when the banks, lenders, and groups go to look at that, they see that, they're not going to lend you any money because you're not proving that you can manage money. So once they look at that and they see what's all going on with you, they can say, nah, you can't get approved for loan, right? Debt is one number. You got 3 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All of them report different things, but it's all calculated into one debt. So with that being said, if you got $40,000 in debt, bad debt, you haven't been making payments on the account, you haven't just been leaving delinquent and it's building up over time, that's bad debt, and they're going to see your payment history. They're not going to want to lend you money. The way you show banks, lenders, and groups that you can manage money is trade lines and making payments on these trade lines, primary and regular trade lines. A lot of people feel and think and is under the impression that you're supposed to clean all the debt off your credit. But if you clean all the debt off your credit, you're going to have no credit. You're going to have no age on your credit report, because those accounts is what's giving you the age on your credit report. And there's no, let me get that credit account back. Let me get that account back, bring it back. No, once it's deleted, it's gone. So now you got to restart. Best thing you can do is keep your debt and add to it, because it's all reported as one number. So if you add $40,000 or $40,000 worth of debt that you already have, you got $80,000 in good debt, because now you're making payments on whatever that you just added to your payment, to your credit profile. You're making payments on it, which is added to your already debt, which is $80,000. Now it's reflecting this good payment history on this $80,000. Now you're showing that you got good payment history on $80,000 worth of debt. Okay, you can manage $8,000, $80,000. What primary trade lines do you have? What trade lines do you have on this? So let's see that. What accounts do you have? You need at least 5 primary trade lines on your credit report. 5, right? So, since you need 5 primary trade lines, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to, I'm going to give y'all some banks, and these banks will give you trade lines for your credit report that will help you, and it will boost the debt on your credit report. So Insight Credit Union will give you a $5,000 credit builder loan, rebuilder loan, which means you'll get $5,000 and it'll be a primary trade line added to your account. Then you can go to First Community Bank Credit Union and get you a $2,000 credit builder loan, which will report to your credit profile, and it'll be a primary trade line. So that's $7,000 right there. Then you can go to Home Base Credit Union, where you can get you a $1,000 trade line, and you can go to DCU and get you another $1,000 credit trade line to report. So those are 5 primary trade lines you can get that will report $10,000 to your credit report. Primary trade lines, though, not regular trade lines, primary trade lines. So you got the trade lines from creditstrong.com, 40,000, 10,000 from these credit builder accounts and primary trade lines, so that's 50,000. I mean, that's 90,000 right there. Then you need at least 2 credit cards in your credit report. Secured credit cards. These are credit cards that you get leveraging your own cash. So if you got $250, $300, $400, $500, go get you a secured credit card, because this will report to your credit report as a credit card, a $500 credit card, whatever that you use as collateral that you put up. Instead of going to the bank asking to apply for a credit card and seeing what they give you, seeing what you approve for. That's the amount that they feel that you qualify, that you'll be able to pay back. It'll be more using your own money as collateral, which will build your payment, your credit score, your credit limit, and you can go from there. So you got a $10,000 credit card, secured credit card, your credit limit on your credit report now is $10,000. If you make payments on that each month on time, you're going to raise your credit limit. So then you're going to apply for another credit card and get another $10,000, $12,000, $15,000 credit card. That's how you finesse the credit. A lot of people don't know credit is easy. Doing credit, fixing credit, building off credit is easy. It's all right there in your face. It's just all about reading, understanding, and understanding that everything has a loophole. And you find loopholes by understanding what you're reading and going through. It'll be easy for you. So adding those trade lines, getting those primary trade lines, those credit builder accounts. That'll be your 5 primary trade lines right there. It's creditstrong.com, the Magna Credit. That's a big trade line right there to add. And then you got Trade Line Supply, which is a credit card AU site, which has credit card accounts that you can buy from $1,000 to $100,000 to report on your credit report. You won't physically get the card, but it will report on your credit report as if you're doing your making payments on time. So you at $90,000, you get you a $60,000 AU account, credit card account for a couple $100. That's $150,000 you now have being reported on your credit report in good debt with good payment history and showing that you can manage a high amount of money. And that's what the banks, lenders, and groups want to see. See, a lot of people feel like, oh, you got to spend money to do too much. And, well, nothing in life is free. Everybody want to figure out what's the next step and the next way to elevate and start their life. This is what you got to do. You got to spend a couple dollars to be successful. It's just how it is. There's nothing you can do. Can't be cheap. And if you don't have a way to get some money, go get a job. Just use that job to fund what you need to do for the time being. Use that job to get your LLC and EIN number, start paying simple bills, and you might even know, you might get a car, crib. Start utilizing that financial aid. Go and sign up for school and go to a community college, 2-year college, and get those financial aid checks, those refund checks, and get as many checks as you can, and use that to invest into your life. There's so many different ways to get money. Start wholesaling real estate. You need no cash or no credit to do that. I got a promo code down at the bottom, DMHUSSLE. Go to real estate, deal machine for real estate. That'll give you all your properties and your investors. And all you're doing is linking the two. Go download the assignment contract and the purchase contract for wholesaling in your state. It's not hard. It's just point in time in your life, you gotta say, you know what, let me try to do something. Let me actually do something so I can become successful. So I can have a hustle. So I can, you know what I'm saying? It's not hard. So you got those trade lines. You built your payment history. And at the same time, you did all this, it's gonna be building your credit score. So now that you got all those trade lines, now that you making payments each month, now you want to go open up a bank account with Golden One Credit Union. Now, Golden One Credit Union, anybody can open up a bank account online, go into the branch, call them. Once you open up that bank account, you want to start depositing funds to that account so you can build a relationship with that bank, because the better the relationship, the easier it is for you to get more money. And that's just point blank, period. Especially with credit unions, because they go off relationships. They're there to help the people. So if you depositing money on a regular basis, they're going to start sending you perks, credit cards, loan offers, all different things like that. That's when you know you're building a relationship. So now that you built a relationship with them, you got all your documents, you got all those trade lines. If you're self-employed, you got your own pay stubs. Now you can go apply for a $30,000 bad credit line of credit or loan. Because you built a relationship with them and you showing that you can manage money. And that's what they want to see. They just want to make sure you can pay back their money and pay your bills on time without any problems. And that's just how it is. So Golden One Credit Union, all right? So when you go to Golden One Credit Union, you're going to go to the loans. And once you go to the loans, it's going to give you all different type of options. So you go into the personal loans. And this is goldenone.com. Yes, goldenone.com. And then they say a Golden One personal loan is a quick and easy option to access funds you need to activate your goals. You can use a personal loan to consolidate debt from credit cards and other loans, or even make a large purchase. Thinking about using a personal loan for debt consolidation? Learn more about the benefits debt consolidation can offer. So why choose a personal loan? Competitive rates may lower your monthly payments, but you need that. Flexible terms up to 60 months. Long time to pay it back. No collateral required. No origination fee or prepayment penalty. So you got to pay no origination fee, or if you pay it back early, you would not be penalized for it. Because a lot of people know if you pay back loans, credit cards, lines of credit, auto loans, you pay it off, it impacts your personal credit negatively. All right, so personal line of credit. A personal line of credit offers you the ability to conveniently borrow money with some unique benefits. This unsecured loan differs from a home equity line of credit by giving you immediate access to emergency funds without having to put your home or other assets up for guarantee to repay the funds. All right, so whether you intend to use it today or consolidate high interest rate credit card balances or tomorrow to cover unexpected cash expenses, you have a peace of mind knowing that Go to One personal line of credit is available when you need it. All right, so benefits of a Go to One personal line of credit: low available rates, credit extensions from $500 to $30,000, no collateral required, no prepayment penalties, and bad credit, no credit accepted. All right, so they got the starter loan for anybody. So the perfect loan to establish new credit. Borrow up to $1,500 or $2,500 with a guarantor or co-signer. Low interest rates, no collateral required. All right, so then they got the certificate and save a secured loan. That's just you putting up your own money and using your own money as collateral. All right, so Go to One Credit Union has different offers. They are giving the bag. They also have credit cards, and I do another well, we can do it right here, right now. Forget it. So, Credit One, they has member rate advantage cards. They got the member first card. They got the member cash rewards card. So, jumpstart or improve your credit score with confidence, and they will give you up to $10,000 on this card. All right, so a card that helps you reach your credit goals. Whether you're establishing credit for the first time or working to repair your credit, you have a power to purchase everyday essentials or pay bills to bluster your credit history with monthly on-time payments. So that's what you need. So competitive rates, 0% annual fee, 0% balance transfers, one low rate for all card holders. Credit limits start at $250. That's what they start at. Then you got the bill credit history. Secure your account with a deposit up to $3,000. Your deposit is a credit limit. It will earn dividends and fully refundable. Each month, payment information is reported to the credit bureaus. So making payments on time will help you build a positive credit history. Access mobile banking and online banking to monitor your accounts. Use Credit Sense to access your credit score, credit report, and more. All right, so convenient benefits they have. So you can get up to $10,000. The lowest they start is at $250. So make sure you just tap it in and Go to One Credit Union, because they will help you get in position to get the money and the funds that you need to succeed and win in life. All right, so make sure you guys are following those instructions. Make sure you guys are understanding credit and understand just because there is a bad credit loan out there does not mean you're going to get approved for it. You have to follow those instructions and make sure you look good on paper. That's how you get approved. Showing that you can manage an X amount of money. Showing that if you want a $30,000 loan, you got $10,000 of debt. What you think they're going to give you that? And you don't make no money, no pay? No. Get the debt together, add the trade lines, show that you can manage money, get your payment history together, and go get the bag. Easy as that, all right? And go open up an account with them and start building a relationship and start depositing money. If you got a job, start direct depositing your money into the bank account so you can show and prove that you can manage money, all right? So with that being said, shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Now, I'm doing a special deal, so do not miss out on this special limited time deal only. FaceTime one-on-one limited gems is regularly $1,000. But there's a lot of people that's been complaining about the price and begging and needing help. So I'm looking out for the people. For limited time only, I am doing FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems for $350 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right, I've been knocking on calls, so once you pay your $350, you will get your call within a couple of days, if not the same day. All right, so make sure y'all booked, make sure y'all getting these calls, and make sure y'all ready to learn. All right, you're going to learn about credit, how to build your personal credit, how to establish your personal credit, how to get a business, LLC, EIN number, business bank account, how to start getting major funding. I'm going to show you how to invest. I'm going to show you how to make anywhere from $500 to $10,000 a day all profit. I'm going to show you how to make anywhere from $15,000 to $100,000 a month all profit. I'm going to show you how to sit in a chair and do it all from a chair just like this. I'm going to show you teach you about methods that you need to know and want to know, how to do them properly to become successful. I'm going to teach you any and everything that you need to know in these FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems lessons, all right? One-time call, so make sure you're ready to learn, all right? So once again, FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems is $350 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. You can send me the screenshots on my IG or on my Telegram, the Millionaire Network, all right? So make sure you follow those links. Make sure you follow instructions. No 21 questions. Do not yo me. So when you contact me, don't be like, hey, yo, or none of that. Please stop. Be ready to handle business. I am not answering anything but screenshots, and we're going to go from there. All right, so let's get to work and let's start getting our self-situated with this financial freedom, right? Also, still, make sure you go, follow. Oh yeah, make sure you get your in-person unlimited gyms, 5,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money meet in person. Make sure y'all get y'all 3-month mentorship, 7,500. I'm gonna teach you everything that you need to see. By the end of the lesson, you will begin your first major loan. I'm gonna teach y'all to give auto primary loans, all that. I'm gonna teach y'all some stuff. Also, go subscribe to the Telegrams, New Age Credit Repair, and the Millionaire Network. Make sure you still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women. All right, we're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, making money, having fun. So you got any talent, you ready to travel, you ready to have fun, you ready to make some money, you ready to network. DM me, let me see what you got. We'll go from there. Make sure you follow my blog pages. No Rags, Just Riches, King Hussle 2.0, and Milwaukee Made King Hussle. Milwaukee King Hussle is my OG page that I got back, so let's go turn that back up. Go like, share, comment, subscribe on all the videos, dropping new videos and new content going live on there. Make sure you follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my Rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain, to create a positive frequency to create financial freedom and generational wealth for your family and yourself. Make sure you go follow the clothing line, Boost School Department, dropping new joggers real soon, drop top of March. All right, so new joggers dropping, and I am doing a deal. Anybody who gets a cash out Bitcoin load up, will get a free jogger, and that's $500 and up. Make sure you go follow on IG, Boost School Department. New mixtape dropping in 2 days. Hustle and Flow drops in 2 days, 3 days, the 21st. So make sure y'all ready for that. And make sure y'all go follow the music channel, King Hussle X1M on YouTube. Go like, share, and subscribe. Hit the all notification bell. New music dropping soon. New mixtape dropping on the 21st. Make sure you go to run them views up. And make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all stay prepared, man. Because a lot of people have been tapping in. A lot of people have been learning. A lot of people have been changing their life. So you'll be the next person to do the same. With that being said, I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.